Hello James, and hello everybody who's inquired on my Commodore here. Let's check out the vehicle itself. It's been supplied to me with 2 keys and a glove box key. So like I spoke with you James on the phone, yes, this car has got a dent here, a dent here and a dent here. It's an 11-year-old car and if that's what it's got, that's what it's got. Yes James, the rego goes to the 9th month. I think I screenshotted that one to you showing the 27th of the 9th. Anybody else who wants to have me double check that, no problems at all. I just can't bring that up on the screen while making a video. So let's check out the car itself. I'll go round, then I'll go inside the car as well. Here's the tow ball. Just up against a fence, otherwise I would have had a bit more of a better angle to this one. Into the back, like I said to James, as of the date of, I think it's the 19th, Monday the 19th right now, it's been received in this condition. It has not been detailed yet. So this will get some armour all on it, this will get cleaned. Underneath here, a little bit hard to go with one hand on there, but underneath here, one of these. This car being made in 2010 with 130,000 odd Ks on it, gets a 1 month or 1,500 kilometre warranty on it. Government statutory warranty. You can up that warranty if you like. You can go for 1, 3 or 5 years. It's up to you to have that or not. Mat's already in there. Okay, let's start the engine. 130,000, basically 131,000, 130,900 and something now, so 964. See, the roof lining's coming down a bit. We'll attend to that, so you won't receive a car like this. Like I said, it's a new arrival to us, so it hasn't been detailed, and as of the 19th of July, we're picking up a few inquiries on it already. James had me on the phone there and he asked me about the service history. So, oops, there's one more before that I believe. There it is there. And this is by us when we received it into stock 4 kilometres ago. 130,960, and it's got 130,964. So we've had this car for a few days and driven it round the building and round for 4 kilometres. The good thing about the service history is this. It's a bit hard to do things with one hand. Bucket loads and bucket loads of service history. For privacy reasons, the previous owner's name has been blacked out, but as you can see, people who have kept this car have kept all their receipts, which is really good sign that it's been babied and looked after by them quite well. Good result. Everybody likes to ask questions like this, and that's a good result. So I'm going to put those back in a minute. Yep, handbrake on. So that's what it's all about, everybody. Thank you for your inquiry. It's not a GTS Commodore. It's not a Land Cruiser that's going to climb a vertical wall on the beach. It's just a sensible car. So this is Dave in sales at Midland City Kia, Midland, Perth, WA, on 0478 008 202. Hit me with more questions, or if you want to do paperwork on this one, we take a deposit, and I need a picture of your driver's license on the front and back. And if for interstate buyers, vehicles are supplied interstate with no number plate on there, and transport is at your cost. So this is Dave in sales on 0478 008 202. Thank you.